Welcome back, everybody. Derrick Soo, your East Oakland advocate. Well, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make salt and pepper shrimp. And so, anyway, I've already uh, made all the ingredients. This is the green onions. I use the white portions mostly, and so I didn't want to throw the green onions away, so I chopped up the green portions to give it a little more color. And then we have the garlic. I mixed the garlic with a little bit of oil so that it stays moist and it doesn't dry out. And then these are serrano peppers, and so you can either use jalapeno if that's your liking for more spicy, but these are serranos and a little bit milder, but still pretty tangy. And then the uh, head on shrimp, and these were $7.99 a pound. I bought 2 pounds. They're dredged in uh, cornstarch, and then so that they dry out and it makes them crisp. And so these are already deep fried. Takes about 3 minutes. I do a batch of 6 at a time so that the oil doesn't get too cold, because what happens if the oil drops below 350 degrees, these get really soggy, and the cooler the oil, uh, the more oil that's absorbed into the flesh. And so that's why you want to maintain above 350 degrees whenever possible. So I'm going to come over here and turn this on. So this will just take a moment to heat up, and I'm just going to put this on the stand so that my hands are free. I'll be right back. Okay, we have the oil all hot right now. We have about 4 tablespoons of oil that's in there. So what we're going to do, we're going to fry the serrano peppers first, and this brings out the flavor. It really enhances the flavor whenever you cook peppers. So this just takes a moment. Turn it down, turn it back up. The nice thing about induction is that it's instantaneous. As you see, it's already starting to get hotter, and the oil's starting to smoke again. So that's where we want to be. And the next thing we want to put in is the garlic. And so we want to pour the garlic in. And we're going to toast that. You see how it's smoking? It's getting real aromatic right now, and we want that real aromatic scent. And then also that it kind of enhances the flavor of the oil that's going to come in on the shrimp. And also we're toasting the uh, the garlic. Next thing in, now that we've got that uh, nice and flavorful, we're going to add in the green onions. You can also use scallions if you want it a little bit milder. So the scallions, just use the white portions again. And so now we're going to put the prawns in. And these are already have been heated. And so what we want to do is just get them in here, start tossing them a little bit. and then get the flavor on them. And then at the same time, we're going to add the garlic, salt, and pepper combination. And so you see what we have here, this the garlic, salt, and pepper. You can use white pepper, and we're just going to put a little bit on there. And then we're going to toss everything. We're going to work on this. See the colors coming up. And folks, that's it. That's everything. So in 4 minutes, we have gone from 0 to plate ready. So it's that simple. This is shrimp, pepper, or salt, pepper, shrimp, and this is how it's made. It's quick and easy, but it's the prep work that takes time. You gotta chop up the garlic, chop the serrano peppers, and then also the scallions. I like to put a little bit of oil on everything before I start frying it, so that the oil soaks in and holds the flavor. So anyway, it's that simple. Thanks for joining me today. And make yourself some salt and pepper shrimp for dinner. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this. Bon appetit.